Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to group tabs in Opera GX compared to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now, grouping tabs in Chrome is incredibly straightforward. Simply right-click on any tab you want to group, and from the menu that appears, click on Add Tab to New Group. A small pop-up will appear where you can input a name for your group and choose a color to identify it easily. Once you've done that, your tab is now part of a color-coded group. This feature is great for organizing multiple tabs by project, topic, or any category you prefer. And that's how simple tab grouping works in Chrome. Now, let's move on to Opera GX. Open your Opera GX browser, and you'll notice the process here is a bit different but equally powerful. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to open up the Settings menu. This is where you'll access the Workspace feature, which is Opera GX's version of tab grouping but with more advanced organizational capabilities. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the search bar at the top and type Enable Workspace. This will help you quickly locate the workspace settings without scrolling through all the options. Next, click on Sidebar Elements from the search results that appear. This section controls which features are visible on your sidebar and allows you to manage your workspace functionality. Here, you'll see a toggle button next to Enable Workspaces. Click this toggle to turn the feature on. Activating Workspaces allows you to create separate environments within your browser, each with its own set of tabs and bookmarks. This is particularly useful if you want to keep work-related tabs separate from personal browsing or gaming. Now that Workspaces are enabled, look at the left sidebar of your browser. You should see a home icon there. Right-click on this home icon, and from the menu that appears, click on Manage Workspace. This will open a new interface where you can create and organize your different workspaces. In the Workspace Management window, click the Add button to create a new workspace. You'll be prompted to choose an icon and give your workspace a name. Pick something that represents the purpose of this workspace, like work, gaming, or research. Once you've selected your icon and entered a name, click Create. Your new workspace is now ready to use and will appear in your sidebar. Now, let's actually move a tab into this workspace. Open a new tab and navigate to any website you'd like. Once the page loads, right-click on the tab itself. From the context menu, click on Move To. You'll see a list of all your available workspaces. Click on the workspace you just created, and the tab will instantly move into that workspace. This keeps your tabs organized and separated based on your workflow or browsing needs. And that's it. You've now learned how to group tabs in both Google Chrome and Opera GX. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.